Alright friends, this is our next video on our writing series for opinion essays. Yesterday I had you guys take your orange paper or your graphic organizer, and I had asked you to go in, use this format, and type up everything you had in each one of those boxes into pink font on your screen. So when it's done, this is my example here, you should have pink writing underneath each one of these areas. Today, you're going to add some what I call filler. Now, the example I'm giving you was in a paper that I wrote a couple years ago with my students, and our topic was a little different. Our topic was not, should kids be allowed to play video games? Our topic was, should people be given the right to have free internet access? So this is the example I'm going to show you, okay? What you're going to be doing today is the pink font is what I've already had written up. That's what I had here when I typed everything up on my orange paper onto my format. Now today what you're going to do is you're going to add in the black font, which is that filler. So I'm going to give an example. Before I had this filler, this introduction paragraph up here read, should people have a right to internet access? In my opinion, people should have equal rights to internet access. Then what I did is I went in and I added additional sentences that made the paragraph a little bit stronger. I want each one of these areas, each one of these sections of your paper, to have at least 4 sentences. 4 to 7 sentences in each area. Now, a sentence is a complete thought, so we've got a complete subject and a complete verb and proper punctuation, okay? I went in and I added a hook for my readers, which was one question that is being asked in our world today is, should people have a right to internet access? There's a lot of debate on this topic, especially since we all are working mostly virtual now due to the coronavirus. In my opinion, people should have equal rights to internet access. By adding in those additional sentences in the black, that added more depth to my paragraph, and it gave it a little more substance, a little more juice is what I call it. Same down here. The pink was what I had written before, just from my orange paper, like right here. And it was one reason that I think there should be internet access for everyone is that it allows people the right to freedom of speech. For example, according to Dr. Reglitz from phys.org, without internet access, people lack a way to influence rulemakers. These people don't have a say in the making of rules. They must just obey them. But I added the black in there to give it a little bit more substance. So I added in, how do you ask? Well, think about it. How many people have the right to speak their mind freely on the internet? Without the internet, people wouldn't have the chance to truly express how they feel. What I want you to do today is to go back into the document you typed yesterday with your pink font, and you're going to add the black font into each one of your areas. So your document's going to get a lot longer, okay? I want each one of these areas to be at least 4 to 7 sentences, okay? If you have a hard time thinking of that filler that you need to put in there, please don't be afraid to email me, and we can do a Zoom and work on this together. If you have any questions, send me an email, and I'll talk to you soon.